Okay, back with another video. Got these SnapPower outlet covers that light up whenever you leave a room and turn off the lights so that it's not dark. We've got some undermount cabinets right here, and it's kind of dark in this area here. So we're gonna go ahead and try to put them there. These are not for GFCI ones. These are just without GFCI. So I'll put the link down below, but let's go ahead and put them in. All right, so you take them out of the package and open them up. Here's what they look like. Here's a little sensor right here, and it's already got everything you need. Assuming we gotta just pull off these little covers here so that we can make a connection. So I'll read the instructions here and then put them on. Okay, so I showed you before, you don't take these off. Those little metal contacts there, right there, they have to touch the screws to make sure that they have power. And so take the cover off, just slide it on, and then screw them in. The instructions say to turn off the power when you do this. Okay, it is installed. You don't need to take off those little pieces of anything. You just go ahead and plug it in. Here you can see I can cover it up. We've got a little light here. So I'll do another video when it's dark and we'll see what it looks like. But that's kind of how it works. All right, here they are at night, lit up. So you can tell it illuminates, not as well as under cabinet mounting, lights, but they're, pretty good. So yeah, there you have it. I didn't, have too much trouble putting them in here, and so it's pretty self-explanatory. But again, they come on when the light is low and kind of illuminates your area. So these would be good for all kinds of places, stairways and things like that. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. And as always, subscribe for more videos like this. Take care.